We love reading to poor. The thing about the devil, but all the step. Chineke is in everything that we should give you thanks. Oh yes, Papa, I'm laying the foundation of working. I'm
Daddy milk. Welcome, madam. Welcome, Sirike. Daddy milk. Welcome, madam. Welcome, Sirike. Welcome, Jemoni. Daddy milk. Welcome, madam. Welcome, Jemoni. Daddy milk. Welcome, madam. Yes, lady. Papa, bien. Papa, bien. Akoma. Ora. A good father. Did you equate a lily? Lay omore. Come a lily omore. Give me a fish. I'm a bombataya. Then there be beef. Full us, Ijani. Full or the dog one. So then I had to mind in demon. Go you cook, go yenta. Equality very bad. Papa, they want what they did that we're done there.
Your names?
My names are Honorable
Where do you live?
I live at Commons County.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an idol.
Please tell the court all you know about this case.
Your Lordship, Your Worship, my father here, Exe Israel, Philip Wodeke, was born in 1929. He was from the Kakobet. He grew up, attended primary school, and then went on to become a teacher, where he grew up to become headmaster special class. After that, he worked in several places, including UAC, Texaco, and several companies all over Nigeria, especially in the eastern coast and south Nigeria. In 1990, he retired from service and became a member of the customary court of Osisioma, where he rose up to become the president of that particular court at that time. In 2013, Mr. Oria started attacking him viciously. And by April 2019, Mr. Omo, also known as Mr. Death, both of them took him away.
We have reviewed this entirety the charge before the honorable court, the nature of the case, and the uncontroverted evidence of Q1, and we are satisfied that the accused are guilty as charged under the above recited laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Accordingly, the two accused are hereby sentenced to death without any option of crime. Also, His Honor, Royal Highness, late Sir Israel Wodeke came to the world contributed immensely this whole quarter to the present unity in society and left the stage at the time he is in need of participating. He deserves absolute rest and should be allowed to rest. We should not mourn like people without hope, having known that he lived a good life. We all should say this as also accept the life. As it stands, accept our condolences to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, accept our condolences at the state, accept our condolences to Sisioma Kwandoto government area, accept our condolences to Chukwu Autonomous Community, accept our condolences to Umu, accept our condolences to Daisy here present, and also friends and well-wishers. With the power invested on me by the Chief Registrar of the Customary Company, I hereby command all this to stand and maintain